Okay, the problem still exists in a number of cities, at least in Atlanta and the metropolitan area. These are live pictures right now. I'm trying to decide if this is what we call here the perimeter. That's the road that goes around the city and the road that probably sees some of the heaviest traffic. The thing is, we see gridlock already at this hour, but the gridlock never let up from last night. So are those people still stuck from yesterday, say 2 or 3, trying to get home in the afternoon, and they're still there now? It's not unheard of. Bob, good morning to you.
I can tell you what I saw earlier this morning coming in about 2:30, 3 o'clock this morning. Every single artery that's in Atlanta getting out of the city clogged. Just stopped dead.
At 2 or 3 in the morning.
That was getting out. Now, getting into the city, I had no problem. I mean, yeah, it was a sheet of ice, but I've got 4x4, no problem. But on the other side, man, it was just stop. People were camped out in their cars, just waiting.
Yeah. So normally you would have, say if this happened in the north, normally you'd have the equipment to get the roads not only cleared, but dried and salted.
Yeah, exactly.
But the roads stayed wet here because there were so many people on it and not enough equipment.
And they didn't salt. And they kept on saying that, we've got all this salt. Well, let's make sure that you listen to the forecast next time. Here's what it looks like now. Cold front driving down to the south. There's your Arctic air. It's in place, and we still have the freezing rain. 24-hour loop. Started out as snow, breeze right on through Mississippi, Alabama, through Atlanta, right on through the Carolinas, as predicted, getting into Virginia, too. About 9 inches of snow outside of Norfolk, so the snow was out there. Winter storm warnings for the morning, not for what's falling from the sky, essentially in Georgia or the Carolinas, because everything that's on the roads is frozen solid, and it's not going to let up until about maybe 1, 2 o'clock this afternoon when the temperatures finally get above freezing. So we've got winter storm warnings out here. Little